Hello students, I welcome you back. In this video we are going to learn about proportion. In our previous video we have learned about ratio and how to write a ratio and different ways to express a ratio. A ratio we know how to express. We write the number and then we put 2, that is like a colon, and then like this. So this is the way a ratio is expressed, okay, and it is read as 4:3. Now what is proportion? Now when we are talking about proportion, here you are given the definition. If two ratios are equal, then they are said to be in proportion. And one more thing you have to remember here, in a proportion symbol, okay, in ratio we put 2 dots, okay, here also we'll put 2 dots, but a total of 4 dots we'll have, okay, like 2 columns we'll write. So here we can see like this: 4:2 say 4:3. If this 4:3 is equal to say 8:6, okay, then of course we know 4/3 is equal to 8/6 because they are equivalent ratios, okay. So when two ratios are equal, then we put a symbol like this or equal, then they are said to be, these two ratios are said to be in proportion. So this is the way we express. See, example given in here: 20:50 is proportion and 8:20. These two ratios are in proportion. How we say 20:50 and 8:20 are, these two ratios are in proportion, okay. Now if you express this by using ABCD, how we write? See, if A:B is equal to if A:B is equal to C:D, we write like this. See, A:B and C:D. In between we put this sign, okay, proportional symbol, okay. Then the two ratios are said to be proportional. Now how it is read as, or how we read as? See, we read as A:B is as to C:D. We read which one? This one. We read this one as this, okay. A:B is as to C:D. This one. A:B is as to C:D, okay. Like we had different for ratios. The first one we say antecedent, and the later one we say subsequent. Here also you see they are first ABCD, they are first, second, third and fourth terms. They are 4 terms, so they are first, second, third and fourth. And one important thing, if you see this this A and D are at the extremes, so that is why the first and the fourth terms are called extremes, okay. A and D are extremes, and these two are in the middle. This B and this C are in the middle. That is why this second and the third terms are known as middle terms or means, okay. The last two terms are called extremes and the middle terms are called means or middle terms, okay. Then we always have to remember, if two ratios are in proportion, then always remember the product of the extremes is equal to product of the means. Product of the extremes, this one. Product of the extremes means we know extremes are A and D are the extremes, so product means multiply, and the means means the middle values B into C. They are the middle terms or means. So always remember, product of the extremes is equal to product of the means. Product of the extremes is equal to product of the means. A into D is equal to B into C. It comes from here. So we can say, if in other ways we can say two ratios are said to be in proportion. If you are given the ratios, now look at here. Now this one, if you look, we can express that one also. Okay, 20 is to 50 and 8 is to 20 are in proportion or not, you are asked to find. So what are the extremes? Extreme, if you see 20 and 20 are the extremes, so 20 into 20 is 400. So product of the extremes is 400, and product of the means, the middle values are this 50 and 8. 50 and 8, 8 50s are 400, so they are equal. Yes, so product of the means equal to product of the extremes, so they are in proportion. If they are not in proportion, then the product of the extremes will not be equal to the product of the means. Okay, you may be given an example here. Okay, now if you are given 2, now I will give one more example. Say 4 is to 3, and you are given say 5 is to 9. You are asked to find that they are in proportion or not. So what you have to do, we have to see the 9, we have to see the extreme ones. This is the extreme one. 4 and 9 are extreme, and 4 into 9 is 36. Okay, then again I will write. Okay, 4 and 3, 5 and 9. The extremes are 4 and 9. So 4 into 9, that is product of the extremes, is equal to 36. And if you look at here, these two are the means, the middle values, middle. Okay, so 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Now if you look at here, this 36 and 15 are not equal. Since 36 and 15 are not equal, so we can say this 4 is to 3 and this 5 is to 9 are not in proportion, okay, they are not in proportion. This you have to remember, they are not in proportion, as the product of the extremes is not equal to product of the means or the middle terms. Okay, then we'll go for the exercise. You read whatever I have explained here, just try to understand, and then we'll go for the exercise. Thank you.